All right. All right, guys. So just a quick video to let you guys to tell you guys what I did for my meal prep. So I'm having stuffed peppers. I have stuffed peppers. I have keto pot pie. This recipe is from Ruled Me. So I did double the recipe because I'm going to share it with someone. And then this is the cauliflower casserole. This is like really good for breakfast. This is perfect. I remember the recipe called for bacon, but instead of using regular bacon, I went ahead and used turkey bacon instead. And so this is good to go. So I don't have to cook for the rest of the week. So this is what everything looks like. I am so tired because I went straight into cooking when I came back from the gym. As you can hear, Nathaniel and my mom in the background. So, yeah, Rude Me. These two recipes, the casserole and this is from Rude Me. You can do it.